New Oxford Modern English Book, Class 4th, Chapter Haircut, Word Meaning, Question Answers, and Grammar behind the book. Words and meaning. Bemused means puzzled या confused. Determined, decided, बिल्कुल determined होके यानी करना यानी बिल्कुल decide करके उस काम पे लगे रहना. With mind made up. Grubby, covered with dirt. Insisted, held firm, refused to give. Marveled, showed surprise, admiration, and wonder. Outdone, surpassed or exceeded. Bettered in performing an action. यानी बढ़ चढ़ के काम करना, जितना बोला गया है उससे कहीं अच्छा करने को बोलते हैं आउटडन. प्रेफर्ड, चूज टू गिव प्रायोरिटी टू और लाइक्ड, पसंद करना, प्रायोरिटी देना उस काम को पहले. री इन्वेंट, टू चेंज समवन और समथिंग सो दैट इट सीम्स न्यू. री इन्वेंट यानी उसको चेंज करना, कुछ अलग बनाना. Salon, a shop or place offering a product or service. Saloon, a bar or room where the drinks are sold and consumed. Soundly, deeply or completely. Tramp, one who travels aimlessly on foot और बैगर, भिखारी के लिए ट्रैम्प वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. वियरी, ट्राइड, टायर्ड, एक्चुअली इट इज़ टायर्ड, TIRED. यंग्ड, पुल्ड क्विकली विथ स्ट्रॉन्ग मूवमेंट्स. अपोजिट्स, ओल्डर का उल्टा यंगर, केयरफुली, केयरलेसली, एम्प्टी, फिल्ड. फॉरवर्ड, अपोजिट बैकवर्ड. रिमेंबर का अपोजिट फॉरगॉट. स्ट्रेट का अपोजिट क्रूक्ड. इनकरेक्ट अपोजिट करेक्ट. ग्रेटर अपोजिट स्मॉलर. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, what was it people marveled at about DNP? People marveled at DNP's long name. Question number 2. Why did DNP grow a beard? DNP thought that the people would think more highly of him if he grew a fine beard. वो थोड़ी सी दाढ़ी बढ़ा रहा था DNP क्योंकि उसको लग रहा था कि लोग उसके बारे में और ज़्यादा सोचेंगे. Question number 3. When did DNP decide to have a haircut and why? DNP decided to have a haircut when the people started treating him like a tramp. जब लोग उसे एक भिखारी के जैसे ट्रीट करने लगे तब उसने सोचा कि वो अपनी जो ये हेयर कट करवाने के बारे में सोचा. What was funny about the name of the barber's shop? The name of the barber's shop had a spelling mistake. उनके बार्बर के शॉप के नाम में ही जो स्पेलिंग लिखी थी वही गलत थी. What was strange about the way Mr. Soni spoke? Mr. Soni always spoke one word sentences. Who gave DNP a haircut? Mr. Soni's assistant gave DNP a haircut. Why did DNP argue with Mr. Soni? DNP argued with Mr. Soni because his beard was completely shaved off, though he has asked for trimming only. How did the lady at the bus stop make DNP feel happy? The lady at the bus stop made DNP feel happy by addressing him as young man. लेडी जो बस स्टॉप पे थी उसने बातों से DNP को खुशी हुई क्योंकि उसने DNP को यंग मैन करके बुलाया. दिस मेड DNP हैप्पी. Difficult questions. How did various people address DNP, and why did they choose to do so in those ways? Answer. When DNP started school, his teachers preferred to put him down in the class register as DNP. DNP का नाम बहुत बड़ा था, इसलिए टीचर्स उसका नाम क्लास रजिस्टर में नीचे DNP करके लिखा करती थी. All his friends called him DNP. His mother, who has been responsible for giving him the name in the first place, shortened it. उसकी मदर ने जो उसको नाम दिया था वो भी उसका नाम छोटा करके बुलाती थी. Even further, and addressed him as DN, and his sister called him D because it was a long name and a bit of a tongue twister. उसका नाम बहुत बड़ा था और बोलना थोड़ा मुश्किल था, इसलिए उसकी मदर उसे DN और उसकी सिस्टर उसे D बुलाती थी. Do you think DNP was a married man? Give reason for your answer. No. DNP was not a married man because he was pleased when the woman addressed him as young man. How did DNP's appearance change during his life? DNP first grew a fine beard. It turned grey. When he started to grow his hair long, he began to look like a tramp. Later, the barber shaved off his beard completely. That made him look younger. Reference to context. Where did these come from? He asked himself, looking bemused. Question. Who said these words and where? DNP said these words when he woke up from his short nap while sitting on the bench. What is referred to by these? These refers to coins in his cap. Why did the speaker look bemused? He was a bit embarrassed because he was treated like a tramp. What did the speaker decide to do because of the incident? He decided to reinvent his appearance. Find the words in the story that have opposite meaning. Last, opposite first. Many, few. Approximately, precisely. Rose, set. Opened, closed. Slowness, hastily. Correct, incorrect. Forgot, remembered. Now next, present participle. Complete the following and add a present participle and any other words. The man caught the boys. Answer. The man caught the boys playing in the pool. We spent the afternoon. Answer. We spent the afternoon reading the books. Third. She locked her cupboard. She locked her cupboard, keeping her money in it. The future tense and going to. Change the following and put going to in the place of future tense and the future tense in place of going to. My father is going to build a boat next Saturday. My father will is going to की जगह क्या आ जाएगा future tense में? Will build a boat next Saturday. I shall sail it on the lake. Shall की जगह पे हम going to डालना है हमको, तो I am going to sail it on the lake. He looks as if it will rain soon. It looks as if it is going to rain soon. I shall go to the lake on Saturday. Answer. I am going to the lake on Saturday. There will be a holiday on Saturday. Answer. There is going to be a holiday on Saturday. Using ought to. Write a reply to each of the following using ought to. First, 3 of my arrows are up the trees. You ought to take them down. Answer. Our cat has fallen into the soup. Answer. You ought to take it out. My sister has got a very bad cold. Answer. You ought to take her to the doctor. The rear wheel has a puncture. Answer. You ought to remove the wheel. There is no petrol in the jeep. You ought to fill the petrol.